Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Talon, the TechMerc, and today I will be running through a big problem that I've been having. I'm not the cleanest person on earth, so my setup, my editing setup, my gaming setup, all of that has kind of felt the brunt of that attack. So today I'll be showing you guys how to clean and maintain your computer setup. I won't be going too far into cable management since I don't have the proper tools for that, but as far as general cleaning goes, that will be covered in this video, so keep watching. So I recently just came back from like a LAN party type of deal, and that's what's really inspired this video because I had all of kind of my PC and one of my monitors just out here already, and they were already off of my setup, and then I looked at my setup over here, and I just realized how kind of atrociously dirty this thing is and how much it needed to be cleaned. And I also knew that in order to really get it clean, I would have to take off my monitors, undo all the cables, take out the PC and all of that stuff so I can get at all this kind of just dust and gunk that's there. So that's what's inspired this video, and that is going to be our first step, is just kind of cleaning all of the peripherals and monitors and things like that off of our desk so that we can really get to cleaning. So we're going to go and do that right now. Alright, so I just finished getting everything off of my desk, all of my area and whatnot. All that is left on there is dust and crumbs, and looking up close you guys can totally see how filthy dirty this desk is. So what you'll want to do is actually take a wet washcloth or something like that and just wipe it down, get rid of the desk, get rid of all the crumbs and things like that. And if you want to repaint your desk or anything like that, now would be the time since everything's off of it and you've cleaned it out and things like that. So we're doing that right now. So far, we've taken everything off of our desk and then we've cleaned our desk. So at this point, you'll want to make sure there are no wires in your way on the ground or anything like that. And then you'll want to vacuum to get any fallen crumbs off. And then after vacuuming, or before, it really doesn't matter, you might consider wiping down a lot of your peripherals and components just so that dust doesn't come back quite as quickly. So I'm going to do that right now. After vacuuming and cleaning off my PC and components, it's time to put everything back together. So I won't cover cable management too closely. Like I said earlier, I don't have the right tools for it, and also every setup is slightly different. But what I can give you guys is a tip that I've used a lot when doing the other setups, and that's to put together your monitors and your PC and like keyboard and all of that stuff first, and then route the wires based on where you want them to be. So a lot of times you'll want to wire them under your desk or keep them hidden in some way. The objective is really just to keep them off of the ground and keep them out of sight. So I'm going to do that right now. Again, I'm not going to go super close into it. Alright, so I've got everything back in place, everything works, and now I have a beautiful, clean looking setup. This video obviously didn't account for things like cleaning out your PC or going in-depth cleaning like your keyboard or things like that. I do have a video on cleaning out a PC. You can find that up here in this corner. So if you guys want to watch that, kind of get an idea on how to do that, that would be great. And then I also do plan on doing a guide to cleaning a mechanical keyboard, which I have right here. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys like this video or have any tips on how you do it, please leave that down in the description. Also, hit that like button if this helped you at all, and consider subscribing for more content like cleaning out a mechanical keyboard and things like that. But thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.